Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Institution. Cloud Institution is the best institution in the Bangalore. In this video, we are going to cover Git conflicts and how to resolve the Git conflicts. Okay, so first of all, we need to understand what is a conflict. Okay, so think that I am working on the project. Okay, so if this is my project means it will be pushed into the what GitHub, right? Okay, so it is present in the GitHub. Now, as I am currently, so in the one project, it won't be like only one person will be working, right? So many people will be working, right? So here one person is working, and there are like multiple people. Consider that four people are working, or many people are working. Okay. So now what I have done here, like, so I have written a some code. Okay. So I have written a some code and like in the it might be the like one some 2 3 lines is added already, and I'm going with the fourth, sixth, and fourth, fifth line. Okay, think that I'm going with the fourth, fifth line, and here there is some another person who is also working on the fourth, fifth, sixth line. Okay, he is also working in the same line now. So what happens here means, so at the same time we are trying to push it. Okay, so this guy is also trying to push it, and here also he is pushing, and he is working in the same branch. Okay, he is working in the same branch. So what happens means when he is working in the same branch, I think that this guy is we both are working on the same branch with the same file. Okay, same file only we are working. Okay, at the same particular line. Okay, so what happens, same file with the same branch. Okay, so what happens here now, so here there is some conflict will occur. Why means it will not understand, right? So which line I have to take, because that this person is also pushing at the same time with the same line in the same file with the same branch, right? And also I am trying to push the whatever the things are there, fourth, fifth, sixth line, and also within the same file with the same branch. So here, so this GitHub will get confused which one which line I have to take. Okay, so to merge it. Okay, so that's the reason it will the conflict error will occur. Okay, so we have to resolve that conflict. For example, think that he pushed it first. Okay, so and second time I am pushing it with the same line with the same file and the same branch. Now also it will occur with the some conflict, because I'm adding at the same line with same line in the same file with the in the same branch, right? Okay, so it will give the conflict, because so there are same fourth, fifth, sixth line already exist, and I'm trying to push it into the same line means again it will give get the what error, which line I have to take, right? So we have to resolve that error, and we can push it. So how to resolve it? So first of all, we will see what is the conflict, how it will be comes in the real picture. Okay. So now, what is a Git conflict means? In the Git, a conflict occurs when changes in different branches are incompatible, and Git cannot automatically determine how to merge them. So at that time, it will give the Git conflict errors. Okay. So let's see with a practical to understand more better way. So now, where is my branch? Okay, so now here what I'll do in the feature branch, let me see what all the things are there. Okay, so let me go to the Git uh, checkout main branch. Okay, so let's see what all the things are there in the demo file py. Okay, so there is like b equals to 19, and print a equals to sorry, print a, right? So now, so how it will be working? For example, what I'll do in the Git, I'll go to the GitHub. Okay, so let me open in a GitHub. Okay, So let me open the GitHub. So, and I'll modify that. Okay. For example, somebody has done, right? So I want, as of now, I don't have any collaboration. So as I'm alone doing in this project means, so I'm just making a what changes in by myself itself. Okay, so here demo.py. So what I'll do, I'll edit this file. So print B. Okay, I'm trying to add the print B now in the fifth line. Okay, so I'll commit changes. So added lines. Okay, so I'm just giving the added lines, commit changes. Now, so what happens is commit is done. Okay, in the GitHub or someone has pushed it. Now this is in the fifth line. So in the git bash also what I'll try to do is without pulling it, I'll try to do uh, uh, I'll modify the what demo.py. Okay, so now, so here also I'll add the some line. Okay, so let me add print a plus b. Okay, I'm trying to make it as a like print a plus b. So escape and save it with the wq. And what I'll do, I'll just go with the git add. Okay, git commit -m message added lines. Okay, now git, I'll try to push now. You can see that it will throw the error because there is a one commit ahead. Okay, so either I have to pull it, right? I have to pull it. Okay, now both are in the same line. Now what I'll do here is there is a git pull. I'll try to pull it. Git pull. Okay, so let it pull. Okay, now the whatever the things are there, so it came. So conflict, there is a merge conflict in the demo.py. So let's see. So automatic merge failed. Okay, so you can see that automatic merge failed because in the GitHub I have added the what fifth line. Also in the git bash with the same file I have added the fifth line. Okay, so now let's see cat demo.py. So this is where the error is there. So I need to remove this error. So you can check with the whoever working on that project. So who has added that lines, and you can check with those guys to whether it has to be means kept or whether we have to delete it, and you can discuss and you can delete that. So that is how you cannot directly delete those lines because that guy is also pushed it, right? If it is necessary means, so it requires, right? So you should not delete it directly. Here nobody is there, I can delete it or I can keep it. But when it comes to the company wise or like in the organization wise or in the development part, so that the person who has written the code and he has pushed means you cannot directly delete that. Okay, if you want to ask them, you can ask them, or you can keep that and you can add your lines like that. Okay, so don't delete without a permission. Now, what happens here, like I'll just modify this one. So using vi demo.py. Okay. Now, so what I can do here is like I'll remove this only the head and other things. I'm not going to remove the what the print a plus b and also print b. Okay. So I'm just removing only the where the error was there. Okay, I'll remove this. This is the conflict error. Remove means how to resolve it. Okay, so this is how we can resolve it. Okay, now you can see the git status because I have modified it, right? So it will be in the modified state. So what I'll do, I'll just go with the git add dot git commit -m conflict removed. Okay, now, so what I'll do, now you can see that merging is removed. So once it is done, so the like commit is done, so the merging has been done. Okay, so now you can push it. So this is how you can remove the conflict errors. Okay, so you can see that in the code, that is in the main. So both the lines are there now. Okay, understood my point? So this is how you have to remove the conflict errors. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand how to remove the conflict errors and what is the conflict. Okay, in the next coming videos we will see more commands on the Git. Until then, you stay tuned for the next videos. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. If you have any doubts, please comment it out and share it to your friends. And also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.